Circular economy is one of the hot topics here at the glasstec 2024, and it seems to be one of the biggest challenges that the industry is facing, and it seems to also be hard to find solutions, but that is why we are here, to find solutions in conversations, talking to each other, showing each other what can be done and finding solutions together. So let's find out what the industry is talking about in terms of circular economy. There are three hot topics at the fair: decarbonization, digital technologies, and circular economy.
Circularity as a topic which we are sitting at. I'd like to take a bit deeper. Everybody sees that need of thinking about circularity, and the exhibition clearly starts with the basic stand, with the products and how we can reuse or recycle. It has the potential to be reused, recycled, which is a good quality of the material itself in our field. And we also see that a pull and push market forces, the pull by the architects, engineers, clients who want this to happen, and the push by the industry which understands, okay, we have a certain quality in our product, we need to now use it. And that's something that this is going to carry us the next 10 years. That's really impressive.
How much have you learned in terms of circular economy, in terms of sustainability for your company, and how are you implementing different ways to be sustainable?
Actually, one of the first products for our company was internal recycling systems. So already decades ago we started with that. Recycling production waste. In every factory in the glass industry there's a certain percentage of waste. With our products you can recycle and reuse that. So this is nothing really new. What came more and more in the last years was the need from our customers actually to increase the usage of cullet, of post-consumer cullet. So we developed together with partners recycling plants that are able to fulfill this demand. So we installed several of those systems in the last years. Basically, you bring the impurified cullet into the plant, and at the end what you get as a result is clean cullet you can use for your glass production. On top of that, we have the point, let's say, the sustainability issue. Glass is energy intensive for production, that is well known. But it becomes a very sustainable material once you start to reusing it, refilling it, and then recycling it. And I think this is one of the major challenges for the industry, to bring recycling rates up, because that will dramatically decrease energy consumption, and that will also help the material glass against any kind of competing packaging materials.
Can you tell me a little bit more about how you're trying to face the challenge of being sustainable as a company?
Obviously, it all starts with us, the melting, the glass melting, and we all know that we usually use natural gas as the conventional melting technology. We have piloted our melting tanks with 100% hydrogen, with the quality that gets a green mark from our customers. So this is one of the highlights, and this is something that we are working on. But we're also looking in closing the loop for our customers and our products, bringing the products that they don't need and they don't use, bringing them back into the melting cycle in our facilities.
And how far are you on that route? I know a lot of companies are trying to be circular, get their circularity going and getting it to be real circle. Are you getting there? Are you there already?
For specific glass types, and I'm mentioning the borosilicate glass, which is probably the main glass of that specialty glass industry, we are pretty close. We have closed the loop with some of our customers. Now it's about the scalability, using other glass types and using other customers to bring them back into the loop as well.